Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn Sudanese grammar, the proper use of this and that, these and those. This and that are used with singular nouns. This is used to talk about a thing or a person that is near to you. That is used to talk about a thing or a person that is far from you. In Sudanese Arabic, this comes in masculine and feminine forms. Da for masculine singular nouns, di for feminine singular nouns. Da, di. Examples: Da walad, this is a boy. Di kedisa, this is a cat. Walad is masculine, kedisa is feminine. In Sudanese Arabic, that comes in masculine and feminine forms as well. Dak for masculine singular nouns, dik for feminine singular nouns. Examples: Dak walad, that is a boy. Dik kedisa, that is a cat. Dak walad, dik kedisa. These and those are used with plural nouns. These is used to talk about things or people that are near to you. Those is used to talk about things or people that are far from you. In Sudanese Arabic, the word for these is del, 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 and is used for all plural nouns. And the word for those is delak, 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 for all plural nouns as well. Examples: del banat, these are girls. Delak banat, those are girls. Del banat, delak banat. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you next time. شكرا جزيلا. مع السلامة.